For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, keeping a home clean and well-maintained can be a challenge, especially with the area's humidity, salt air, and frequent exposure to the elements. Choosing windows that are easy to care for can make a big difference in both convenience and long-term performance. Double-hung windows are a popular choice not only for their classic look but also for how their design supports simple, efficient maintenance. One of the most convenient features of double-hung windows is their tilt and sash design. Both the upper and lower sashes can be tilted inward, allowing homeowners to clean the exterior glass from inside the home. This is especially helpful for second-story windows or hard-to-reach areas. In Palmetto Bay, where salt and moisture can leave residue on glass, being able to clean windows safely and easily is a major advantage. Another way double-hung windows simplify maintenance is through their straightforward operation. Unlike more complex window styles with multiple moving parts, double-hung windows use a simple vertical sliding system. This reduces the likelihood of mechanical issues and makes it easier to keep the window functioning properly. Regular cleaning of the tracks and occasional checks of the balance system are usually all that's needed to maintain smooth operation. The design also helps with airflow control, which indirectly supports maintenance. By allowing both the top and bottom sashes to open, double-hung windows promote natural ventilation. This helps reduce indoor humidity levels, which is particularly important in Palmetto Bay's climate. Lower humidity means less risk of mold, mildew, and moisture-related damage around window frames and surrounding walls. Modern double-hung windows are often made with low-maintenance materials such as vinyl or fiberglass. These materials resist moisture, corrosion, and fading, making them ideal for coastal environments. Unlike wood, which may require regular painting or sealing, vinyl and fiberglass frames maintain their appearance with minimal effort. A simple wipe down is usually enough to keep them looking clean and fresh. Another maintenance-friendly feature is the durable weather stripping used in double-hung windows. High-quality seals help prevent air and water from entering the home, reducing the chance of damage that would require repairs. In Palmetto Bay, where heavy rain and humidity are common, this added protection helps preserve both the window and the surrounding structure. Double-hung windows also make it easier to inspect for potential issues. Because both sashes are accessible, homeowners can quickly check for dirt buildup, worn seals, or minor damage. Catching these small issues early allows for quick fixes, preventing them from turning into larger, more costly problems. Ease of cleaning extends beyond the glass. The frames and tracks of double-hung windows are typically designed with smooth surfaces that do not trap dirt or moisture easily. This makes routine cleaning faster and more efficient. In a climate where dust, pollen, and salt can accumulate, this feature helps keep maintenance tasks manageable. Another benefit is the long-term durability of modern double-hung window components. Features such as corrosion-resistant hardware and sturdy balance systems are designed to withstand frequent use and environmental exposure. This reliability reduces the need for repairs and ensures consistent performance over time. Professional installation also plays a role in maintenance. Properly installed double-hung windows fit securely within the frame, preventing gaps that could lead to moisture intrusion or operational issues. A good installation ensures that the window functions smoothly and remains easy to maintain for years. In addition to practical benefits, the design of double-hung windows supports a clean and polished appearance. Because they are easy to maintain, homeowners can keep them looking their best without significant effort. This contributes to both interior comfort and exterior curb appeal. In the end, double-hung window design supports easy maintenance in Palmetto Bay homes by combining accessibility, durability, and simplicity. From tilt-in sashes and smooth operation to moisture-resistant materials and easy cleaning, these windows are built with convenience in mind. For homeowners looking to reduce upkeep while maintaining a comfortable and attractive home, double-hung windows offer a practical and reliable solution.